In this video, we will show you how to create an amazing PowerPoint presentation with a cherry blossom theme. So, let's start the video. First of all, insert high quality cherry blossom image. Adjust, select flower, reduce size. Go to insert, select text box, write blossom here. Select and increase size. Make it bold. Center your content. Choose color using Eyedropper. Select this. Go to Animation tab. Select Arc. Increase size like this. Select with Previous. Increase duration size. Duplicate 3 and increase the duration slightly. Select all. Go to Format. Select Distribute horizontally and vertically from a line. Select Text box. Go to the Animation tab. Add Wipe Animation. Go to Effect option. Select from left. Select with Previous. Increase duration. Also increase delay size. Now click on Slideshow. Now you know how to create an amazing PowerPoint presentation with cherry blossom theme. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.